This is why you leave them speechless. You've cut them off. You have detached. You are unbothered by their games and their schemes. Doesn't faze you. For some of you, you even predicted their next move before they even did it. So you're not shocked. You're not surprised. You're disappointed. You have removed yourself. And this is making this individual, all these people, very speechless. You have outsmarted them. They underestimated your intelligence, your intellect. You have gone ghost. You are not reacting. They wanted you to be heartbroken. They wanted you to feel overwhelmed, saddened, trapped in the head, unable to move on, begging for their help, or for some of you, begging for their forgiveness. But you done the opposite. You took back your power. You may have grieved what happened privately, but you didn't let it consume you. You grey rocked them. That's what they deserve. They wanted you to be at their mercy. They wanted you to close off your heart, not to love again, not to trust again. They wanted you to be obsessed with them. But now they're obsessed with you. The tables have turned. You were nothing but nice to this individual. And all they did was judge you. All they did was betray you. And you had enough. And they are shocked by how cold, in their view, you are now. They're shocked that you are focused on yourself. And you are. You're focused on your mental health. You're leaving this person extremely speechless because they felt like, because of your past, maybe for some of you, you come from a troubled background. Maybe you weren't brought up with love, care, attention. And they thought that because of this, you will undervalue yourself. You're leaving them speechless because you have a lot of self-respect, a lot of self-love. They thought that you will be insecure. And some of you are working through your insecurities. And that's fine. We're all human. But they just assumed that because of what you didn't have or where you come from, you wouldn't take yourself seriously. You wouldn't rate yourself. They were judging you based off their own basis. No, darling, that's for you. You are cut from a different cloth, my darling. They are realizing that now. And they are speechless. They are speechless because they are in a state of disarray. They are scattered. They feel like time's running out in regards to going after their goals. They feel discombobulated all over the place. This is what they wanted for you. They are speechless that you do value yourself. You don't allow your past to harden your heart. That's a them thing. You do not sit in your misery and blame the world. That's a them thing. You do not project your unhealed traumas onto others. They're speechless. For some of you, they thought that they could destroy you. For some of you, they thought that your past would hinder you. They thought that you would hide your light, forget about yourself and your talents and your goals. Again, that's a them thing. They are speechless because some of you could come from humble beginnings, but you still made a life for yourself, created a family, created your own legacy, a family business. You have beautiful children. You have family members that love you or friends that are like family. And they are speechless. They counted you out. They thought things will take a dramatic turn for you. And they're so consumed and obsessed with your life and how you have overridden the many pitfalls that you have gone through. Because they know that if they were to walk a mile in your shoes, they would not cope. They are speechless that you didn't go down the wrong road. For some of you, you've overcome addictions. And they are so speechless. They wanted, unfortunately, what you were doing, they wanted it to actually destroy you, unfortunately. They are so speechless that you have outsmarted them. You have removed yourself from them. You have iced them out completely. They wanted to keep you binded so that they can destroy you emotionally, internally, so that you amount to nothing. This person is dangerous. But they are speechless that they could not destroy you. And they are even more speechless because they are destroying themselves with their obsession with the wrong things, people, money, you, vices, outlets that they think is going to numb their pain and inner turmoil. Instead of healing their inner child, they're tormenting their inner child. And that's why they try to torment you. They are speechless that you are still in touch with your inner child. You express a lot of light, a lot of love, whilst they express a lot of darkness and hatred, even if they try and cloak it with joy and high vibration. Soon enough, people can see through the facade. And they are speechless that they're on a road to nowhere. All the angles that they try to come at you with are blocked. They are speechless because they thought it would be you crashing out, not them. They're lacking direction. They're angry. They're bitter. They try to come for you subtly, and for some of you abruptly, to gain a reaction so that you can join them in their pity party. They are trapped in their own despair that they try to leverage at your doorstep. And they're speechless that you're happy. They want to access this happiness that you exude. It comes from having inner peace. It comes from doing the work. They thought they could break you. And they are speechless that they have trapped themselves and they're broken. It's never too late for them to heal, but the question is, will they do the work? And until then, Spirit is saying keep detached, because this energy is very ruthless and very dangerous and very jealous. Jealous of your inner peace, your happiness, wanting to access what you possess, but not wanting to do the work. Stuck in their own toxic cycle that they refuse to heal from. 6 of Swords in the reverse. You or this individual could be of the signs Sagittarius, Capricorn, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, Pisces, Libra, Scorpio, Cancer, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. And they are speechless because they expected you to fail. For some of you, you are in a position of power, or you will be. And they thought that all the digs, all the mental mind games that they threw at you would have slowed you down, would have made you doubt yourself. They are so speechless that you are so confident. They feel like you've changed. They feel as if you are so superior to them now. They feel like you're so brand new. Looking at you in awe, but also resenting you. Seeing how other people respect you. Seeing how other people love you and find you beautiful outwardly and inwardly. It angers this person. This person's bitterness is seeping over for all eyes to see. And they are speechless. That you're winning and they're not. They don't even know which way they're going to go. They're going to turn. They feel like their life is chaotic and out of control. And what is within seeps outwardly with this individual. And they want to bring this tornado towards you. Like a Tasmanian devil. The devil card. The Spirit is saying, nah. You stay down there with the rest of those demons. My butterfly has got things to do. So keep spreading love and keep shining your light wherever you go, because you shone a light on this person and expose who this person is, especially to others, because this person was pretending to be like you, full of love for family, love for self and love for others, but within, so further from the truth. And they are speechless whenever they look at you, because within you they see who they wish to be and who they are not.